Okay, my sister let me borrow these MetaQuest 2 so that my grandson here can play them as is currently unavailable. And but she did forget to remove it from the app, so when we tried to use it, it came up saying, hey, it's under a different email. So the way to factory reset this easy is with the power button, and you hold the volume down at the same time. So I'll do that now. Of course, the unit has to be powered off, which it is. Okay. And I see the menu appear. Now, I don't believe you'll be able to really read that. But using the volume buttons, I want to get it to factory reset. Okay, you can see that it's now factory reset. Select the factory reset and confirm it. Okay, you can see there it's a circle and it says erasing, because it will be selected to go with a full factory reset, wiping everything. And then it'll reset and bring you right back to where you're supposed to be. I think you heard that chime. That's a good chime. Okay, and at this point, the glasses are ready to continue with the setup. You factory reset it.